This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Amanda Emanuel. Check out the space and features this amazing 3-bedroom and a flexible 4th bedroom/study downstairs, 2.5 baths townhouse floor plan has to offer. The convenience of the amazing amenities that are offered: clubhouse, pool, workout area, and is a 5-min driving distance to FT. Eustis base, or an easy commute to City Center of Newport News, CNU, nearby hospitals and even York County. The wood floors, crown molding, tray ceiling and granite countertops throughout add to the custom details and finishes that make this home so unique and upgraded. Time to relax and enjoy entertaining and decorating your new home. For more information, review the details below.